Again, this is a basic, very basic synopsis of the federal system. It's important to understand that this summary is basically detailing how the American system of federalism is laid out in the U.S. Constitution. So there won't be any details about federalism in general. Rather, this clip simply describes through the first few articles of the Constitution how federalism can exist in the United States. The federal system is essentially divided constitutional powers. They are constitutionally created. Some are referred to as implied, and some are referred to as enumerated. Enumerated powers are explicit and termed in the various articles. For example, Article 1 lays out the creation of a legislative branch, what we call Congress, which is the U.S. House of Representatives and the United States Senate. Article 2 creates the presidency, the executive office. Article 3 creates the U.S. Supreme Court. By the time the framers got to states' rights under a federal system, Article 4 lays out in part what is called the full faith and credit clause. The most important thing to remember there is that Article 4 lays out how states can be created. Article 5 contains the rules for amending the Constitution and, for example, the first order of business once the Constitution was enacted were the Bill of Rights, which are a set of the first amendments to the Constitution. Article 6 lays out what is called the Supremacy Clause. Primarily, Article 6 states that when the national government and state governments have conflicting actions, according to the Constitution, the national government is supreme.